Hello, Mr. Dasgupta. Finally, we
Hello.
did it.
Finally. After how many months of messaging?
6 months. You were among the first 10 log ka, list I prepared where I'll
Yeah.
ask. And
Okay.
no one accepted it.
Oh man.
In fact, today, 17th, we are recording this.
Mhm.
So 17th ko I complete 6 months. Like I shot
Oh.
my first podcast today.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
Wow.
I mean, कुछ इतना
Wow.
ऑडियंस बड़ा नहीं हो क्योंकि कोई रोकने वाला
आओ
तो है
ठीक
नहीं.
है.
I'm just putting my thing.
अरे हाँ forget about बाकी सब कुछ तू करते रहे.
हाँ, आप बोलो सर कैसा चल रहा है?
चल रहा है बस घर पे ही हूँ यार कुछ 5 महीने से एंड एक्चुअली
घर पे
घर पे हूँ इतना घर पे हूँ कि मैं गली के बाहर तक भी नहीं गया
सेम
तो
सेम
या
क्योंकि हम लोग का अभी मैं जैन हूँ, सो हम लोग का जैन लोग का पर्यूषण अभी शुरू हुआ. इफ यू नो अबाउट द थिंग.
या
हाँ, सो अभी शुरू हुआ. सो द थिंग वाज टू बिकॉज इन दोज 8 days you can't eat anything. So the
ओके
goal was to load up before that. So
ओके
so परसों I went down in from March for the first time
ओ
to just buy some Lays and Kurkure and everything. And वहाँ पे देखा कि people are not wearing mask. I got really, I don't know, I got mad a bit, but कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, I left my house only once, and that was because I had to change my house. So I was shifting.
Yeah,
So so yeah, that's when I went out, and yeah, like it doesn't look like it's a pandemic. अभी भी traffic है, अभी भी सब कुछ है.
हाँ ट्रैफिक जाम से.
Yeah. So अभी घर पे ही
डीमार्ट
ठीक
डीमार्ट भी फुल है.
है. Oh really? Oh my God.
It's crazy. अभी मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ. It's all
Yeah.
right. I started doing stand up. I was just talking to you about that before this, but
Yeah.
I started
No,
doing stand up and it's fun.
you started. You must be the only person who started doing stand up during a pandemic, where clubs are shut, nothing to record, nothing to practice, nothing, nowhere to go, no audience.
But you'll be surprised. I'm not the only one. I also thought
I'm
I was
sure.
the only one. But
Uh-huh.
मैंने क्या क्योंकि I did that first comedy ladder का open mic, and वहाँ पे one person who was one of the, क्यों वहाँ पे audience को judge बनाते हैं कि you score.
Okay.
So
Okay.
one of the audience who was a judge, and she
Uh,
messaged me after that. Because I bombed badly. She
uh,
messaged me
uh.
after that, dude, it's all right. Don't worry about it. You were quite funny. And I said, all right, well, thanks for the fake compliment, but all right. But because she also watches so many stand-up gigs, she also started. And she
Yeah.
right now is killing it. She is doing, क्योंकि on Comedy Ladder, the open mic सब लोग का ना every day 5 o'clock होता है, and whoever are the winners, they perform at
Hmm.
Saturday, और उनके
Okay.
लिए you have to buy the tickets.
Okay. Okay.
So she got into that Saturday round twice.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
So many, like, she's not the only one. 3-4 more people are doing stand up, which I was quite surprised.
Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of new people coming to stand up because the older ones have stopped. It's like,
I mean,
what is
it's like the cycle is going. Like the older ones have gone to streaming now, and these people are trying to do this. But Amazon also did this, na? Amazon Funnies.
Yeah.
That also was quite funny. Like I watched
Yeah,
3-4
yeah.
and it was quite funny.
Yeah, that was very nicely done. Very nicely executed.
I but I wanted, because see, I also shot my stand-up video right at my place. अभी
Hmm.
उन लोग का इंटीरियर कुछ सुपर हिट ही था
हाँ.
Amazon वालों का था. But मेरे घर पे तो मैंने सब just I closed my drapes and I had this, मैंने सब lights बंद कर दिए, and I made it like, the goal was to make it like Dave Chappelle का Bird Revelation का set.
Hmm.
Like he sits down and he's just
Yeah.
relaxing and he's talking about, the goal was to
Yeah.
make it like that, और मैंने वैसा
Yeah.
किया.
Okay.
And
Okay.
people are just standing up and doing, which I don't know, without audience कैसे खड़े होके नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Yeah.
बट बैठ के जोक्स अच्छे से निकल गए मेरे.
Right. बैठने
But
से तो
are you
already
preparing now?
मतलब हाँ.
No, sorry, go ahead.
No, like if you're like on a Zoom call, like I've been on Zoom calls in the last 5 months, like almost every day. And Zoom call, pe it's really weird to stand and like even like talk, right? And like
Yeah,
performing to like becomes like quite something. But if you're a performer who is like who's a performer, like more than a writer, a performer, जिसका बहुत act outs है, बहुत actions है, then it's very difficult बैठ के perform करना. Then maybe like
Right,
you know
right.
standing, yeah.
Yeah, I thought just had some pussy jokes and dead jokes.
yeah, you sleep and do it.
Like I'm just sitting, I'm having my coffee while I'm doing it. Yeah, but how are you doing? अभी क्या चल रहा है? You are playing chess, I saw. अभी मैंने अभी इसके पहले to prepare मैंने 2-3 ऐसा अनिर्बाण ट्रिब्यूट्स देखे.
Chess में बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Like that's one big positive from the pandemic. It's like learning a new thing. It takes a lot of time. It's very frustrating. Like when you're winning, but when you're losing, you're like losing 10 in a row. And but yeah, I'm enjoying it. I have like it's like I just feel chess is a really it's probably the deepest form of sports because every game is so unique. Every game has a story of its own. कि पहले ये किया, पहले ये किया, and every option, every like move के पहले there are so many like possibilities,
Right.
so many calculations. It's too good. It's too good. I really enjoy playing chess. Yeah.
Now the chess is cool. Like it was one of the, it was one of the boring sports, boring things. And now it's a cool thing. Like people are playing around me, and because I thought I was good at chess.
Okay.
So I also went on that chess.com and I played against one online player. एक बार हराया तो I thought कि ओहो full ego boost. And second में उसने मेरे को जो पेला है उसके बाद मैं खेलना बंद हो गया.
तो the chess तो तेरे को practice करना पड़ेगा. You have to just keep at it because a lot of it is just like if you have been in that position before, you will know what to do. A lot of it is memory also. So yeah, but it's so interesting. I think like chess is always seen as boring, but how Samay has been like doing it on his channel is so unique, so new, so fresh. So I'm to like completely hooked on that. Like that was my start. पहला जो comedians tournament था March end में, उसके 2-3 दिन पहले like I logged into chess.com and तब से लेके आज तक log out ही नहीं.
It's going on and on.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
But are you planning on going, like I wanted to ask you this actually. Now because this comedy thing is thoda sa fade out ho raha hai because of this pandemic. Even though it's kind of growing simultaneously with streaming, but it's live shows are not happening.
Yeah.
Abhi I just also read one of your film companion articles in which Masoom Rajwani wrote that people who have an online presence are kind of doing all right, but who don't have anything are struggling.
Yeah.
अभी क्या होगा सर? But अभी क्योंकि ड्राइव-इन हो नहीं रहे हैं. यूएस पर ड्राइव-इन शुरू हो गए. वहां पे चैपल समर कैंप चालू है. He is doing everything he can. But over here it's not happening at all. Nothing.
Yeah, I think digital is definitely the way to go. Like this pandemic, like सबसे बड़ा learning is that you actually don't have to leave your house for anything. Like everything is happening on Zoom calls, and it's like ऐसा नहीं है कि 3 दिन का लॉकडाउन है या 1 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन है. 5-6 महीने से ये चल रहा है. ऑफिस जहाँ पे मतलब लोगों को ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, हम लोग भी घर से काम कर रहे हैं, which I feel is the suicidal thing. Like because that work from home means that पहले भी वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं था, अब तो एकदम ही नहीं है. ठीक है, like अब तो like नेगेटिव में चला गया. But digital is the way to go. So comedians who have a huge online presence, obviously it's like it's very clear for them that they have to like maintain it, they have to like grow that. A lot of comedians were dependent on live gigs, like people who were very good, people who were doing well, but not necessarily has a big online presence or a big YouTube channel. For them, they also like everybody has to adapt, everybody has to figure out a way to do it. If you do something on digital and make it interesting, you will find the same kind of not the same kind, but you'll find similar validation that you used to get on stage. It won't be the same because that's a different experience altogether, like performing in a room full of people. But you can still like innovate, do something interesting digitally.
Veerdas did this really cool thing. He he's coming up with a special, a crowdwork special with Zoom people.
Yeah, I saw the trailer. Everybody is doing something. It's actually quite interesting to watch.
Yeah, I mean, Gaurav Kapoor also posted one video where he's like stand-up video but online wala.
Yeah, I've been watching those. I've been watching.
Yeah,
I just
it's
saw
crazy.
today. Yeah, today only I saw Puneet's video, similar video,
Puneet
Zoom
Pan,
call
yeah,
culture. Yeah, yeah. I've been doing some Zoom shows, but not exactly stand up. Because I'm still not like fully comfortable doing stand up. I like do some stand up shows if they're like corporate shows or like a private show. But I've not been doing like solos and 1 hour shows that I used to do in clubs.
yeah.
But
Right.
one game show we have been doing, which is something very interesting to me. We were like
That Abhijit Ganguly one.
no, this is a game show called How Weird Is This Guy?
Oh
This
yeah,
I
yeah, I saw it on your IG,
Yeah,
Instagram.
yeah, with Vaibhav and Ghosh. So when we were like figuring out कि अच्छा अभी Zoom पे कैसे करना है, like how to like just change things so that अपने को भी मजा आए show करने,
Hmm.
and it's two-way. Otherwise like stand up में there is so much pauses, so much like things, and you don't know किसका flush चल रहा है, किसी का कुछ हो रहा है, किसी का आवाज आ रहा है, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है,
Exactly.
किसी का फोन आ गया, कुछ भी हो सकता है, सबको म्यूट पे भी रखा तो थोड़ा वियर्ड है. So we were trying to find like a 1 hour format which still like allows us to have fun, and it's also a comedy show. So
Right.
we made this game show where three of us basically go up against each other, and we try to prove that this guy is the weirdest in this gang. Like in every friend's gang,
Hmm.
you always have this guy is a
Yeah, yeah,
complete weirdo, doesn't like belong to earth and all that. So we try to play that game, and we have broken that game into like 4 rounds. So it's like defined rounds. Everybody knows what they have to do to get ahead, and the audience votes after every round. So the audience has to vote some like 15 to 20 times during that 1 hour show. So they
yeah.
decide who's the winner, who's the loser. There's some politics. There's always fights. So
Hmm.
yeah, I enjoy doing that game show more than like doing stand up.
Stand.
Yeah.
क्योंकि fun मस्ती है ना. It's
Uh,
not completely choreographed.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like I remember because I did 2 to 3 takes while I did my stand up.
Yeah,
Even though it was a 10-minute set,
yeah, yeah,
but after the third take, I also got exhausted because you sometimes laugh just to make that joke better. Sometimes कभी कभी
yeah,
when in
yeah.
that while you're put there.
I to
Fourth में
do
मेरे
it a
को खुद ही
lot.
हंसी नहीं आ रही है because I like थक गया यार क्या करूँ. So
Yeah, yeah.
now I'm just writing now.
Yeah, it has to be done differently. Like stage पे जो चीज चलता था, like all those elements you can't bring to a Zoom show or an online like show. But there are other things that you can do. Like you can use presentations. You can do you can screen share. There's some other like stuff that you can do, and like ensure
I
that हाँ मजा आ रहा है उतना ही.
exactly this. In fact, Ian Edwards.
No.
Ian Edwards is a stand-up comedian. His special was produced by Bill Burr. So he did this stand-up special like TED with a presentation.
Okay.
So this was in 2019,
Right,
but he
right.
made it like a presentation and he's just explaining his jokes, which is way funnier, very funny.
Yeah. Dude, Biswa had a live show just before the pandemic where he like basically it was a presentation, but like an insanely funny show, aided
Right.
by a presentation. So that's a good format, and those kinds of format like in clubs and all, you have to figure out कि projector किधर है, TV किधर है,
हाँ.
हो ही जाता है. But इधर तो मतलब बना बनाया है, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं घर में.
हाँ, exactly. Now so you
Yeah,
just have to finger
yeah.
the हाथ हिलाओ. I don't know what I say. हाँ. So, but I was asking this because I was watching Take It Easy, and मेरे को पहले वो बताओ कि Take It Easy के बाद cancel कैसे नहीं हुए? Because
Bye, yeah.
बच गए यार. Because right now क्या अभी जो pandemic अभी
उस
जो
टाइम
हुआ.
पे कोई नहीं आया हिंदूफोबिक कॉमेडियन इंडस्ट्री उस टाइम पे like they were busy attacking other fake enemies.
Yeah.
2020 is where they have like zeroed in on comics. Yeah, like actually like I had outrage, which was the result why I wrote this special. Like because like I was forced to like take down my video, and like all that happened. But that was like Bengali outrage. So Bengali outrage is much safer than Marathi outrage. Is all I have to say.
Oh my. I hope, like, I simultaneously hope ये लोग ये वीडियो देखे थोड़ा सा वायरल जाए, but I also don't want controversy.
नहीं इससे क्या कंट्रोवर्सी होगा यार, इससे इन लोग बंगाली मराठी लोग लड़ेंगे यार.
You never know, man. After that thing, मेरे को लगा, oh wow,
Yeah,
because
anything can happen.
I had, the thing is, my jokes are very very dark. Like, and I'm not showing off dark, but they are like when a person dies wale joke hai.
Yeah.
And pedophile jokes and XYZ.
So you will be in a lot of trouble because what happens here is in India we take all the jokes literally. So if you're talking about your dad being a pedophile, then they are going to believe. There is no suspension of belief. They are going to actually think, okay, this is a fact. His dad is a pedophile. Then how can he talk about his dad like this and whatever the other.
And the problem is, he's my dad. Why are they taking offense? You know what I mean?
Because they also have dads, no? You have heard their dad sentiment. It's oh man.
The pressure was because I'm still, first of all, I'm no one in the stand-up game. Okay, I basically done one gig, but मेरी फट गई कि मैं ये jokes करूँ कि नहीं, क्योंकि एक joke का subject गौर था, एक joke का premise गौर था, which led to something other. The punchline was something else. But still मेरी फट गई कि I'm not doing that joke only. Because I don't know. मैं तो थोड़ी सी फट गया, अभी मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ. So अब I'm recording my jokes alone and sharing it with just friends. So कुछ होगा नहीं. Hopefully.
Yeah, friends is safe for now. But कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही आगे जाके. See, अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो तू grow नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है?
Yeah, exactly.
वो भी थोड़ा चाहिए.
Like it's the weird balance you have to maintain. Ki I also want controversy to go, viral something, but I also don't want trouble.
Yeah, but this kind of an environment where you get attacked for saying anything is just bad for the art form, not just stand-up films, because currently everything is so open to be misinterpreted that everybody, comedians, I'm sure filmmakers probably also at some point are will be sugarcoating it or cushioning it. Like if you have seen in stand-up, everybody who does a Modi joke will always do a Rahul Gandhi joke in the end, just to balance out, in their mind it's them balancing it out, but it's not. Like everybody knows that this is a joke against Modi, and he has every right to crack jokes against Modi, but that Rahul Gandhi sweetener exists that just drops the quality of the set for me. So even I'm guessing in films also, I'm guessing there'll be more exposition, there'll be more explanation, because everybody will be like, यार कुछ भी हो सकता है, IMDb में मेरे को 2 मिलेगा, तो इससे अच्छा मैं 2 डायलॉग और डाल देता हूँ dude. But they don't know कि वो 2 डायलॉग कुछ घंटा फर्क पड़ रहा है, जो उनको काट के निकालना है वो उन लोग काट के ही निकालेंगे. मोदी का सेट्स जो वायरल हुआ है, and has gotten hate, उसमें राहुल गांधी का जोक आपको नहीं दिखेगा, but वो है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They just cut down that joke and put it over there out.
Yeah.
And the worst,
but I think just having that joke
हो जाता है.
हाँ, joke भी viral हो जाता है. But yeah, so it just decreases the quality of whatever art is put out online, because now everything is content, right? That's the word.
Yeah,
everything
content is king now.
Yeah, but what exactly is content? How is content created? What makes content
it's very filtered now.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know, I was just thinking कि Bill Burr जैसा कोई यहाँ पे हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर ऐसा फेली जैसा रैंट किसी को करना भी हो,
मर जाएगा वो.
You can't do it now. Why? कुछ दिन पहले
इधर ऑडियंस करता है फेली रैंट.
So funny. Yeah, it's exactly. ऑडियंस जाके मूवी रिव्यूज के ऐसा यहाँ पे एक माइक छोटा सा पकड़ेंगे और ऐसा ऐसा बोलते हैं. And this happens. YouTube पे है ऐसे वीडियोस.
यार मैं ये सोच रहा था कि जब हम लोग when I was growing up, before the internet in the 90s, then you just did not know, if an event happened, you just knew 10 people's opinion on it. Like ठीक है, so
Right.
say something big happened, India Pakistan का war हो गया, कुछ हुआ, you know what the local newspaper feels, you know, say what the chief minister feels or the prime minister feels, like few important people, and like, you know, that's it. But now anything happens, like anything happens, dude. Like somebody gets pregnant, you suddenly have like 2,000 opinions, and like all these opinions are going somewhere. No, हम लोग देख रहे हैं, हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, हम लोग सुन रहे हैं, कहीं तो जाके डिपॉजिट हो रहा है ना. Like it's so cluttered now. It's अभी क्या इसके मतलब it's much better to like not know more people's opinion than just like, you know everybody's opinion. I know
It's crazy
democracy and
right
all.
now
Yeah, but internet
because
and democracy don't go together in some way. I think.
yeah, not at all, not at all. अभी क्योंकि सीन हो गया कि it becomes dinner or lunch talk. Like सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का
Yeah,
सीन पे इतने सारे
yeah,
conspiracy theories है. I
yeah,
hear all every time new, like a
yeah,
new one every time.
yeah, yeah,
And my parents are deciding the fate of the criminals
yeah, yeah. Dude,
just
that's
because.
that. Yeah, that this is what is being discussed on WhatsApp. No, even like my friends groups and all have like been forwarding, and some of the articles are just bizarre, dude. Like one day his like phone records are leaked, Ria's phone records are leaked. One day uska diary leak हो गया. Like तो चल क्या रहा है यार?
Exactly, it's a movie now.
Yeah,
It's genuinely like a movie.
yeah. See, like comedians have this kind of pressure to generate content frequently, right? Like if you are a comedian, then you're expected to like put out videos. You're expected to do something interesting, like just to basically like continue. Like people are following you for certain things, and they will like continuously get it. But now news channels and film critics and all, they are also content creators. Like they are not
Right.
doing a job of like say journalism. Like even film critics, if you look at film critics, like I
Yeah, Bates तो है ही अभी.
it's just like they just have to release like a video every 2 days. What kind of a film journalist is that, where you are under more pressure to like release videos rather than like maybe get
Make
into
genuine good reviews or something like that, whatever it is.
make read between the lines, like figure out how the industry is evolving. But now it's just video चाहिए, हर हफ्ते 3 वीडियो चाहिए यार. 2-3 साल पहले कॉमिक्स के ऊपर ये प्रेशर हुआ करता था. अब तो मतलब सारे प्रोफेशंस, बिकॉज everybody's like focus is social media. That's where everybody is like
And
equal.
targeting the youth.
Yeah, targeting the youth, brands, whatever is how can everybody be a content creator? If everybody is a content creator, who the fuck is consuming it?
No one is thinking of doing becoming a lawyer or a teacher. No one is doing that.
No, even
And
if there is no, I'll tell you, अगर आज कोई डिसाइड कर रहा है लॉयर बनेगा, तो वो अभी से सोच रहा है कि 6 साल बाद जब मेरा लॉ का पढ़ाई खत्म होएगा, मेरा एक लॉ के सीरीज होगा, ये मेरा एक लॉ का पॉडकास्ट होगा, मेरा लॉ का कुछ तो कंटेंट होगा, मैं बिहाइंड द सीन्स करूंगा बैंगलोर हाई कोर्ट के पीछे जाके. Like कुछ ना कुछ मतलब there'll be some ideas because everything is now like ends up on the internet. Oh man.
yeah, it's the race of becoming famous as soon as possible.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It has gone beyond that. I think I just think कि सबका opinion नहीं सुनना है मेरे को. Like can we
Yeah,
filter
it's
out that?
like now you need to, like, now the thing is, this is what I also do now, because Instagram pe if you follow more people na, you'll always see a guy, I forgot the guy's name, but he's always wearing a red t-shirt and he's screaming about something, and he's explaining every time something. Whenever he releases a new video, and he's always explaining to everyone about every topic.
Oh,
He has an opinion
oh,
about every
like
topic.
this like sits in a car and abuses people. That guy.
नहीं वो तो भाव, हिंदुस्तानी भाव है ना.
हाँ.
नहीं
अच्छा
वो
ये
नहीं,
कोई
ये
और.
this is an educated guy
Okay.
who makes YouTube videos and explains everything to everyone.
हाँ.
But the thing is, now we see everyone, because he has an opinion on something.
हाँ.
अभी now what my friends and whoever I know,
हाँ.
उनके stories पे क्या जाता है, उसका story जाता है when he's sharing that video, और उसके ऊपर उनका opinion, मेरे friends का. So it's
Yeah.
like opinions on opinions, and Twitter is
Opinion
the
के ऊपर
pissing game
opinion.
now.
Oh my God.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's अभी तो Twitter तो now I don't want to open anymore because it's a pissing contest. You always
Yeah.
have to show off that how cool and funny you are.
Dude, there was a time in my life where I used to like get up in the morning, and the first thing I wanted was to fuck my mood. So I used to like log into Twitter, and it used to happen in 5 minutes. Now I just follow football Twitter. That's a great place. Football Twitter is great, especially
Yeah.
because my club is winning. So I enjoy Twitter now because of that.
I don't know much about football, but 2 दिन पहले कुछ solid game गया बारसा के लिए बहुत खराब था ना कुछ.
Oh, बहुत अच्छा टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है. चैंपियंस लीग चल रहा है, which is like the premier club competition in Europe. And
Okay.
like normally the knockouts happen two legs. Like one match is home, one match is away, and दोनों का
Right.
aggregate score होता है. तो अगर पहला मैच में कोई गंदा हार भी गया, सेकंड मैच में एक चांस है, to come back अगर home
Recover, yeah.
advantage. Yeah, especially अगर home advantage है. But अभी because of the pandemic, they are doing a straight away knockout, one match. So quarterfinal, no two legs, and that has become so interesting. Four quarterfinals happened, best teams in Europe, and all four did not go as per script. Like Barcelona lost 8-2. They were like the
Oh.
favorites. Barcelona lost 8-2. Messi, Suarez, like these
Yeah.
are the
I
yeah.
don't know much about football, but Messi is my favorite. It's like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, so it was like major upsets. Manchester City got out. PSG almost got out. They like somehow won in the end. So this format is very interesting.
Great. Wow. I'm following sports like Abhi recently. I'm kind of getting. I started the F1 Formula One.
Oh,
Do you
okay.
watch that?
No, I don't. I used to at one point. Abhi to I have no idea. Lewis Hamilton is still winning or what?
आज he killed it. Like he
Oh man.
उसने माइकल शूमाकर का रिकॉर्ड आज तोड़ा वापस.
Oh, कौन
The
सा
maximum
record?
number of podiums.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's the guy now.
So now Lewis Hamilton is like top of this
Yeah,
list.
yeah. He's the top for a long time.
Did you see there was a major accident in MotoGP today? Like
I
Valentino
don't watch
Rossi.
MotoGP much.
Okay, I just saw this on Twitter. I also don't follow it, but just go and check out this video. So two bikes crashed, and one bike, like the rider was thrown off. Everybody is safe. The rider was thrown off, and the bike was doing cartwheels, and it narrowly missed Valentino Rossi, who was like turning at that point. Like that screenshot that somebody had put out on Twitter is scary.
Wow, I'll check it. I saw what you recommended. You recommended Judah Freelider's special,
Yeah.
na?
Yeah,
I saw it, and oh wow, very fun.
That's a great special. Yeah.
Very funny. Oh,
Yeah.
I just thought if I would have to perform like this, I don't know if I would be this quick on my feet.
Yeah.
वो बंदा majority लोगों से jokes ले रहा है और उनकी मार रहा है.
Yeah, but just think about it. He has been doing this night in, night out for like 10 years. And I think he's a New York comic. So when I say night in, night out, he probably goes up on stage like, 7 times a night. So just think of the number of hours that has gone behind him like reaching this level.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
अभी मैं कितना मुश्किल से 10 रात की है.
Yeah.
But it's fun. It's fun. Doing stand-up is fun.
Yeah,
I mean, I haven't performed in front of a live audience.
Yeah, I hope
feel
that maybe next year we are allowed to like perform in clubs and auditoriums again, because there's no better feeling than that.
But why aren't I was going to ask you this. Drive-ins क्यों नहीं हो रहे?
जगह ही नहीं है ना इधर.
क्या अरे वो जहाँ पे पवई में वो कोई तो कंपाउंड है ना जहाँ पे AIB के प्यार का धोखा वाला कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था.
पता नहीं मेरे को.
So, I mean, पवई में एक दुकान है कमला मिल्स के पास. दुकान क्या सॉरी पवई में हाँ. परेल
okay.
Sorry, same ही है ऐसा लगता है. But परेल में there is a ground there. And
okay,
I was just thinking out loud.
Ground sounds में हो सकता है, but I don't know, like in बॉम्बे में तो हालत बहुत ही खराब है, तो it's probably just better to wait it out. अभी यार कोई बाहर कोई मास्क नहीं पहन रहा है, कुछ पता नहीं है क्या ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है.
That's also there.
Yeah.
It's crazy. अभी मेडिकल क्या था, मेडिकल वाले नहीं पहन रहे मास्क. Like they are without below their nose or something, which I got really mad.
Dude, a friend of mine, he tested positive for COVID in Calcutta, and I was talking to him, and he told me that he gets calls every day from some government authority, state government, national, central government, and they just call and ask him some formality questions, and then when he asks कि अरे अभी करना क्या है, and all of them have the same answer कि अगले phone का wait. ठीक है? I'm like, how is this dealing with a
Oh
pandemic?
man, this is really bad, na?
Yeah. God.
One of my also friends got tested. उसका ऐसा कुछ सीन उसने बोला नहीं मेरे को तक. But now he's just waiting कि 15 days हो जाए. Because after
Yeah.
15 days, you don't spread more.
Right.
Like something like that.
Yeah.
So he's like, अभी 15 days अभी 2-3 दिन में हो जाएंगे. So now he's going to roam now. Because he is the most safest person now.
Okay. Yeah. But is he like, but others can still get infected from him, is it?
No, that's what.
Okay.
He can't
Okay.
spread.
Okay. So then
So
so everybody, so everybody has to get that.
Yeah.
Everybody has to get COVID, basically, is what you're saying.
Yeah. We have to get COVID free, or everyone has to get one.
Yeah.
But let's see. Hopefully, this vaccine thing works out.
Yeah.
I was going to ask about Afsos.
Okay.
Afsos, because I recently attended one of the seminars on Insider, and
Okay.
Amazon Prime ka the head of content came in over there.
Okay.
And he talked about Afsos with there were more comedians over there, and he talked about Afsos that you guys were writing for many years.
Yeah. We were writing before it got commissioned. We had already spent 4 years on it.
4 years.
Yeah, 4 years.
Wow. And you know what I thought when because अपन जब भी मिले थे documentary के लिए, okay, I'll just subtly plug my documentary. But when we were shooting our documentary, and you said कि Afsos is going to come, and I was really excited because in my whole group I was the first one to know because announcement भी नहीं हुआ था.
Okay.
And then when I saw premise trailer, so I thought, oh, is this from a Chris Rock bit? Because Chris Rock has a bit in Tambourine where he says, where he talks about divorce and everything, and he says, कि I am paying for my wife's lawyer too because I make more money than her. And he says this term, it's like hiring a murderer to kill you.
Yeah.
Which I thought, is that a joke?
No, I've seen that bit. Tambourine is a great special. No, but this is like an idea that was with us since 2014, and there have been there has been some movies in the West where this premise is there, where somebody's paying for their own murder. But in our story, it's like a starting point.
Yeah, it's too much. Yeah.
It's like it's more to do with immortality than this. Yeah.
Because after seeing the trailer, everyone's mind was like, oh, first of all, what a premise for the show. Then जब ये show देखा तो 2 episode में ही trailer खत्म हो गया. उसके बाद
trailer was just the first 2 episodes. Trailer में उसके बाद कुछ दिया ही नहीं था उन लोग. Trailer was cut by Amazon, and so they obviously had something in mind. And they cut a good trailer, but that immortality, the main angle was like slightly missing there.
But I think that worked out.
That worked out. Yeah, because when audiences went to watch it after the trailer, they had some expectations, and I think we managed to answer to those expectations, and plus we gave them so much more that nobody could have imagined from just watching the trailer.
Yeah. Danish said came in, I thought, oh, kya
oh man. Yeah.
But I was going to ask you, how is it different? Like you said you are writing a film, right?
Yeah.
A film or writing for OTT. I know writing for a show sites can be different, but writing for OTT, did you write this specifically for OTT? जब भी commission हुआ वापस पूरा लिखना शुरू हुआ? अफसोस हाँ.
नहीं, so अफसोस हम लोग actually जो भी the 4 years we put in before it got commissioned, we had basically exhausted all possible options in terms of initially it was like a film idea, and then we figured out it's better to make it an episodic show, and so by the time we actually got commissioned, we had written for OTT only. Now by written for OTT, I just mean that some very fundamentals there are cliffhangers in the episodes. Opening episode is like the mini version of the entire show. Like the very basic fundamentals we kind of had in mind. But after it got commissioned, we made it better. We we just learned some more things, because that time like hum log we used to write before just on the side, because I was busy touring with my stand up, doing my special. Dibbo and Saurav were also busy with their shows and like films, ads. So
Hmm.
we used to write it on the side. So when I say 4 years, it's not exactly like 4 years hum log pura
Yeah, I get it.
इसमें
Yeah.
we just lived with the idea for 4 years, and by the time we went to Amazon, we had the pilot, we had more or less like the whole story arc, so it
क्योंकि
became easier.
before 2020 के 4 years OTT का idea I think so was not bloomed.
No, so we started writing this like episode. Like the first episode was written in 2005. The first time the first episode was written in 2015. So in 2015,
हाँ अच्छा हाँ.
and 2015, and at that time, Woot was like already launched. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
think.
Voot was one of the
uh,
big ones. Yeah.
yeah, so they launched very early, and उधर से जो भी थोड़ा बहुत मतलब understanding था, like we started meeting many people from the OTT world and started understanding. So and then whenever a new show came out in India, it was like obviously I watched it for entertainment, but I also watched it for
Hmm.
academic purposes. So every show that has come out on Netflix and Amazon, I have like watched it with
Same.
different lenses. For that matter, like when we were writing Afsos, Game of Thrones was going on. The last three seasons were going on, and we were like we used to watch that, and everything used to give us ideas on how to write for this
Hmm.
kind of a format. So yeah, and yeah, also having Saurav Ghosh in the team is a big help, because he's I really think he's like one of the best out there.
Writers.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. हाँ, so I was just saying कि but because I've seen other comedians shows also come on Prime,
Hmm, hmm.
but somewhere no one had as massive cast as you did. Like you had
Yeah,
Gulshan Devaya, you had Anubhuti Kashyap directing the show
yeah,
with
yeah.
so many more good actors.
Yeah, so I think one of the reasons is because we are not good actors, so we had to look at the professionals. Imagine if I am playing the role of Nakul. Yeah, I don't think that's going to come on
I
any
mean,
platform.
you played one role though. I don't know if I should
Yeah,
say it though.
yeah, no, you can. Yeah, I kept the best role for myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel like I was happy we did it this way, because just got to meet some
Really
great
great.
people. Yeah, people who have actually done things that I have really enjoyed watching. Anubhuti was first AD in a
Gangs.
couple of Anurag Kashyap movies, and being Anurag Kashyap's first AD is I think a relentless job, because he shoots without a script, and
Yeah, yeah. He shoots without script, and he says he enjoys chaos. So he
yeah, he
says
enjoys chaos
some
because
XYZ
yeah,
to other people.
I don't understand, dude, how because film is just chaos. Like film anyway is chaos, and everybody's aim is to reduce the chaos so that the
Right.
film can be made. But yeah, Anurag Kashyap is obviously a master, and he works
I mean,
differently.
it's a
But
different thing.
yeah, but we benefited from those experiences that the cast and crew had. Our first AD was from Yash Raj, and this was his
Wow.
first project outside Yash Raj. So everybody got attracted to the script, and when everybody came on board, I just knew that they are all signing up for this because they see this as promising. Because in a project, a lot of times, a lot of people sign up as a money gig. I do it
Hmm.
many times where I take up a project, thinking yeah, it's like decent money, good work, and you're not really thinking about what insane stuff you can achieve with that. But for Afsos,
Right.
everybody just came in, and everybody was creator in a way. Everybody's opinions were incorporated,
Hmm.
and it was a great place to work.
It Afsos was a sweet spot. It was not
Yeah.
too much. You know what I mean? Like it was a sweet spot. कि और सभी audience को देखने में मजा आएगा.
Ha. Audience, matlab it's something is there for everybody. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it was fun. My parents watched it, which was
Oh
a
man,
surprise because they
dude,
don't watch many things.
I had the amount of people who have told me about their parents watching it is insane. I still keep getting
That's when you
messages.
know it's a compliment.
Yeah. And now, like, there are days where like people have been messaging me, not talking about whether they have watched it or not, but they're like, yeah,
My
look at my
parents watch
mom
it.
watching it, look at my dad watching it. Yeah, so I'm happy that like people from all ages liked it in a way.
And
I just
so
feel
you're
that
going to say, yeah.
I just feel that during Afsos, one learning that I had is whatever the vibe of the writing room is, that vibe has to be replicated on set. So if like our vibe in the writing room was really chill, because like we were working out of my house, and like my
Hmm.
friend, like writing with friends, so it was a very like great, it was a great phase for like us, where we really enjoyed it. Like it wasn't pressure कि हम लोग का show बनाना है या all. We were like, yeah, we are going to make the best show ever, so let's just do
Hmm.
it. So that vibe translated on set. So when that vibe, like that the writers had while like thinking up the stories, when everybody in the cast and crew also feel the same, it's easier for what the script is to translate on screen. So I think we managed to get that balance right.
Right. I sometimes I do this to see, because I like the show. I like the show,
Yeah,
your show. I also messaged you after that.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I if I like the show, I want to see how it's doing successfully. So
Right.
sometimes what I do is मैं torrent के site पर जाता हूँ
Huh.
and I see the seeders कि कितने
Yeah,
seeders है.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
if it's 2000, 3000, it's doing well.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
इस पे 3000 seeders थे, which I thought
Yeah,
was,
dude,
oh, nice.
can I tell you something? I did the same test privately uh, to see how well it is doing. Exactly the same thing. I did it. Just like after some time, like release के काफी दिन बाद में मतलब ये same exercise किया था, dude. Same exercise कि torrent पे कैसे गाना है
This
थोड़ा देख.
this makes you this makes sure कि लोग को पसंद है कि
हाँ
फ्री
हाँ
में भी
हाँ.
डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं लोग.
Yeah, yeah, dude. Like very happy with that so many people. Like I did not think इतने लोग देखेंगे, because अपना बड़ा show नहीं है ना, but काफी लोग देखे.
But it also worked out in your favor because first of all, Arjit ka song also
Yeah,
made some
yeah,
noise. With
yeah,
that, Gulshan Devaya ka recently Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota was also popping.
yeah.
And with then and promotion भी काफी कड़क हुआ था. Zakir came in, with Anurag Kashyap came
Yeah,
in, then Biswa के साथ एक हो रहा था अलग. So it was
yeah.
really cool. It was in notice.
Yeah, but all these like promotions that we did, Zakir, Biswa, it was like basically them coming on board, because they have been big supporters of the project since day one. Like Amazon तो
Right,
बहुत बाद में आया, पहले तो मैं अपने दोस्तों को बोला था story, तो तब
right,
से
right.
उन लोग support किया. And because our show like it's not a big Amazon original जिसके लिए मतलब like crazy
Mm-hmm.
amounts are like money will be put. Ours was like a small scale show, and getting these people come in and like push it was the only thing we could do. And
Yeah,
I'm very happy that like the kind of support I got from the comedy scene is mind blowing. Like I'll be like
but
forever
that's
grateful for that.
but the comedy community is very united too, na? क्योंकि
Yeah,
now after this and also the Chintu का birthday thing, now we
yeah,
know कि comedians में इतना power है कि वो एक project push कर सकता है आगे.
yeah, that's true, that's true.
Because this I don't know, इसके billboards थे अफसोस के.
नहीं, अफसोस के बिलबोर्ड तो यार बहुत दूर का. हम लोग तो सोचे भी नहीं थे इसके बिलबोर्ड जाएंगे. हम लोग पता है क्या सोचे थे, एक वीडियो बनाना था, फिर बनाया नहीं क्योंकि बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स इधर उधर चल रहा था रिलीज के आसपास. हम लोग सोचे
हाँ,
थे कि
रिलीज थोड़ा
हम
सा
लोग
डिले भी हुआ था ना.
हाँ, थोड़ा डिले हुआ था लास्ट मोमेंट, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स हुआ था. तो हम लोग तो सोच भी नहीं थे बिलबोर्ड्स का, बट वन थिंग वी हैड प्लान्ड इज हम लोग एक वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें फोटोशॉप में लाइक एक्चुअली से बैंड्रा में जाएंगे विद बिलबोर्ड्स और लाइक जी का, अमेजोन का, नेटफ्लिक्स का लाइंड अप अलोंग साइड. वो सब शूट करेंगे और सब में अफसोस फोटोशॉप करके डाल देंगे और उसका वीडियो रिलीज करेंगे कि दिस इज हाउ वी कैन बी ऑन बिलबोर्ड्स इन बैंड्रा.
It would have looked very funny though.
Yeah, but I just did not have the bandwidth to do it at that time. But ये plan था मेरा. But yeah. But we knew कि ऐसे ये billboard वाला show नहीं है. And but we were just happy to be a show on Amazon Prime was like enough motivation for us.
Yeah, it's a big thing. और ये worldwide है ना, तो ये it's not
Yeah,
just India
worldwide.
now.
It's a worldwide release. Yeah.
That's so cool. Well, congratulations on that. Hmm? Yeah, I was going to ask, after with Afsos, you built a credibility now. Like अभी एक है कि you are a writer too with a comic. You know what I mean? Like, but now we see कि more people going into writing because of first of all this pandemic के साथ काफी लोग writing में जा रहे हैं. So you think अभी कुछ होगा अभी OTT में कितने I think so बहुत OTT को pages गए होंगे because right now was the time when many people got to write.
Yeah, right. Even I did the same. Try to use this time to like write some more. So it's a great thing, dude. Like OTT तो बहुत बड़ा positive है ये pandemic का.
Yeah.
Like obviously movies. Like movies industry is also the same as stand up ना कि they are thinking कि theaters कब खुलेंगे वापस. So again like the next best option is digital. And yeah, and it's good enough. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
I mean, all right, sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you
so much. Finally coming. कितने टाइम?
Finally. Sorry for all the months. I like आज ही मैं messages देख रहा था तेरे से बहुत सारे messages को मैं reply नहीं किया, which I am very sorry about. But normally like if I have nothing to say, I like just don't reply.
I
so,
thought
yeah.
Am I being too much? Like is he saying no with this? But I don't know. I just thought कि नहीं एक बार message कर दे because I kind of have met you, तो मेरे को लगा कि अगर ना बोलना होगा तो फिर भी you say no.
Yeah.
All right, sir. कोई
नहीं. Yeah. I did. I wanted to do message कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा था. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.